At Cold Spring School District, our promise is simple: every child, every opportunity, every day. But fulfilling that promise means preparing the class of 2040 for a world we cannot fully predict. How do we equip these young minds to navigate rapidly evolving technology without sacrificing the essential magic and messiness of childhood today? The answer starts with a firm boundary. Human relationships are the heartbeat of this district. Every tool, every screen, and every new piece of software serves that connection. When we introduce artificial intelligence into our classrooms, it is strictly used as a tool to amplify student and teacher voices. It is never a replacement. No algorithm can substitute the quiet moments of independent thinking. AI will not take the place of human judgment, creative expression, productive struggle, or genuine care. Navigating this technological shift requires a highly intentional two-part approach. Before we can introduce any new innovations, we first have to fiercely protect traditional foundational learning. That first environment is called protected learning time. This is the space entirely dedicated to building core knowledge. When learning reading, writing, mathematics, science, history, the arts, physical education, and social-emotional skills, they do it with real books, real teachers, and real peers. AI is intentionally absent from these lessons. We recognize that deep comprehension often requires stepping away from the screen entirely. First drafts, mental math, handwriting, reading aloud, and those vital, quiet moments of wrestling with a difficult problem, these physical and mental actions belong exclusively to the child. Students must build their own internal fluency, memory, and understanding first. Only after that foundation is secure do we bring in technology to amplify their work. Once that foundation is set, students move into our innovation studios. This is where they apply their core knowledge to real-world design problems. To see how we introduce these tools, we can look at this developmental scale, mapping technology access to a student's age and judgment. Responsibility scales up gradually. In grades K through 2, the focus remains highly tactile. Students work together on developmentally appropriate block coding and physical robotics, exploring logic through hands-on collaboration. By grades 3 through 6, students expand into more complex applications. They take on text-based Imagilabs coding, teacher-guided vibe coding, structural design, and creative audio tools. Through it all, the student remains the author. Every project moves through 8 habits of thought: ask, design, code, test, revise, explain, reflect, and share. Running parallel to this creation process is explicit instruction in AI literacy. We teach students how to question generation tools, verify outputs for errors, protect their privacy, and recognize exactly when to step back and trust their own minds instead. By combining hands-on creation with strict literacy training, we ensure students learn to direct the technology rather than allowing the technology to direct them. Behind the scenes, we enforce equally rigorous standards for our staff. Human teachers retain absolute control over all instruction and classroom decisions. We do equip educators with what we call AI agents. These are carefully bounded programs designed to prepare, organize, summarize, and draft routine administrative work. But the boundaries are explicit. AI agents do not independently grade student assignments. They do not make decisions about children, and they never communicate with families unreviewed. Every new tool undergoes thorough vetting. We operate under a strict mandate. Humans stay in charge. Every final output must have a human name attached. By offloading routine busywork to these agents, we buy back our teachers' time. That time is immediately reinvested into meaningful, face-to-face connections with the students. As we implement these tools, our community will be able to follow along. We maintain an open registry where families can see exactly what software is active, in pilot, or planned, along with the published safeguards for each. We measure the results of these pilots honestly. We track standardized student learning benchmarks, documented time savings for teachers, student grasp of responsible AI use, and ongoing parent confidence surveys. Because our responsibility is not to introduce students to emerging technology just so they know how to push buttons. Our job is to build caring human beings. We are preparing the class of 2040 to lead tomorrow with a strong foundation of knowledge, sharp judgment, true creativity, and responsibility. At Cold Spring, technology supports the relationship. It never becomes the relationship. Here, we grow with kindness and curiosity.